In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter records in Airtable. Filtering records in Airtable is a simple but very useful way to focus only on the information you need. Instead of scrolling through every row in a table, you can narrow the view so Airtable shows just the records that match specific criteria. This can save time and make your base much easier to work with, especially when you're managing a lot of data. To get started, open the Airtable base you want to work in. Once you're inside the base, go to the table or view where your records are stored. Make sure you're looking at the set of records you want to filter, because the filter will apply to the current view you're working in. Next, look for the filter option in the toolbar and click on it. This opens the filtering panel where you can control which records appear on screen. If you've never used filters in this view before, the panel may be empty at first, and that's completely normal. From there, click Add Condition. This is where you begin creating the rule Airtable will use to decide which records should stay visible. A condition is basically a statement that tells Airtable what to look for, such as records that contain a certain value, match a status, or meet a specific date or number requirement. After clicking Add Condition, click on Select a Field. This lets you choose the column you want Airtable to evaluate. For example, you might choose a status field, a date field, a category field, or any other column that contains the information you want to filter by. Picking the right field is important because this determines what part of each record Airtable will examine. Once you've selected the field, follow the on-screen prompt to finish building the filter. Airtable will guide you through the available options based on the type of field you selected. In most cases, you'll choose a comparison option, like whether a field is not, contains, or matches a certain value, and then you'll enter or select the value you want to use. As soon as the condition is complete, Airtable updates the view automatically to show only the matching records. If the results don't look right, you can adjust the condition until the filtered view shows exactly what you need. This makes filtering a flexible tool for reviewing projects, tracking tasks, or isolating specific records quickly. And that's how to filter records in Airtable. Once you get comfortable with this feature, it becomes one of the fastest ways to organize and navigate your data more efficiently.